Let us see how you can create a stunning product image using your own model face with AI modeling. First of all, click on Easy Input and you will see a template already present here. Now, click on the reference image and upload your product image that you have already saved in your device. Once you will upload the image, write the prompt. You will see a box already present here. Write the prompt here. Create a single image in which model wear this sari with some jewelry. The background should be luxurious shop. After writing the prompt and select the model image for your product. Once you will select the model image, again you will see a box. Write, use this model onto first image as model wear the sari with background of luxurious shop. After writing the prompt, click on generate image. It might take few moments to generate the image. You will see credit will be deducted based on input and output image. It might take 2 or 3 minutes to generate the image. Now you can see the AI used to credit to generate the image. Click on image. The result generated by AI modeling. You can see how beautifully the image has been created according to our requirements. You can also download the image. In this way, you can use AI modeling to generate the product image using your own model. Thank you.